How do you use AI in maintenance? And the first step is, as I said, AI and intelligent manufacturing is all about connected devices and use of data to make decisions intelligently with that data. So you have a lot of data, and how do you arrive at actionable decisions based on the data that you have? So the first step is obviously to do some kind of learning from data in the past. So you've collected a lot of data, especially from various sensors or MES systems or any kind of digital data that's stored in from your past production history. And then you build some kind of a predictive model. Then you use predictive analytics to say sensors from plant equipment continuously collect data, and it is then analyzed using some kind of a AI model. We'll cover some of the details of what I mean by AI model or machine learning. And then based on that, you're doing some kind of a predictive analytics to say, what would be the likelihood of something breaking down in your factory, or where would the next breakdown occur based on the past data, which correlated with previous breakdowns that you've had, right? So the benefits obviously are going to be high uptime and availability. And there's an acronym OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, which is likely to be increased. So it's all about how do you maximize your efficiency of equipment. And that's also going to drive down your maintenance cost. And of course, that will reduce your downtime and loss of production. So that's AI in maintenance. Now look at something which is more closer to home and what we specialize in at Qualitas, and that's AI in production quality, right? And so the basic steps is you have a bunch of parts which are in an assembly line or being manufactured. There is a camera which is using its imaging sensor capturing images. Now you have some kind of a AI system which is trained based on previous images, the training data as it's called, and that AI system is used in some kind of a predictive analytics. It makes a prediction about whether the part is either defective or it's of a good quality part. And based on that, some decision is made and an action is taken to segregate a defective part of the high quality part. So the obvious expected benefits are improved product quality, reduced cost of inspection, and it'll also be quality assurance cost, right? So you can reduce manpower and automate this with these systems.